Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Treats. Today I will show you the things we would require for baking and that would make our baking easy. First of all, to bake we would require maida, suji, wheat flour, whatever you require. But to bake it and to make it fluffy, we would require baking powder. The baking powder comes in of different brands like this one or this one. We have to use baking powder very carefully because in some baking powders the quantity of baking soda is matched and in some is lesser. So if we are using the baking powder more, it may create to a bitter taste or may lead to the cracks in cakes. So baking powder has to be used very carefully so that your cakes come out perfect. Next is the essence we would require for making cake. The essences give flavors to the cake. Suppose if we are making a vanilla cake, then we would require vanilla essence. It's the vanilla essence here. It's written here. If we would require elaichi flavored cake or rasmalai, we can use elaichi flavor. And if we want to prepare butterscotch cake, we can use butterscotch essence. If we want to prepare strawberry cake, we can use strawberry essence. Whatever flavor you like, you can use that essence in your cake. But use only 1 teaspoon of essence in your cake. It is enough. And if you want to check if essence is good, just take the closed bottle and smell it. If the smell is very strong, then you can find out that the flavor would be good or not. Because the essences come of many brands. If it's a good quality or not, you have to find it yourself. Next is the colors. If we want to use icing, if we are preparing icing and we want to make icing of different colors, suppose we have to make icing of blue color, then I would require these colors. These are the colors comes in 2 types: liquid colors and gel colors. Whatever color it is mentioned on the bottle. We can use it. But if we are making chocolates, then we can't use liquid colors. We have to use gel colors only then. And if we want to create a glaze effect or shiny effect, then we can use the neutral gel or cake gel. What we say, it is of this type. It is transparent and it is flavorless. So when we want to use this gel on our cake, firstly bake a cake, let it cool down, then whip it through, then decorate it with the icing on the cake. And if you want to use this gel on it, and suppose you want to create this gel, then put gel color in it, a drop of gel color in it, mix it and put it on your cake. But remember, when you are using the neutral gel, you can only use gel colors in that. Next is the cups. These cups are required for measuring different, like maida, sugar, whatever. The size is mentioned here, so you can check it according to your recipe and then use it. Next is, these ones about the simple cakes. But if you want to create a chocolate cake, then you would require cocoa powder. Try to use the cocoa powder of good quality, because if cocoa powder is of good quality, it will add a good taste to your cake. And using too much of cocoa powder will give you a dark color, but it will lead to a bitter taste in your cake. So if you want to avoid a bitter taste in your chocolate cake, avoid to use, if you are using of this brand, 3 tablespoons is enough. These are tablespoons and teaspoons used for measuring, and these are nozzles. The way of using nozzles is, first of all, these are big nozzles, and these are small, medium sized nozzles, and these are small nozzles. So these are simple nozzle. This is a star nozzle. This is used for petal flower. This is used for creating petals of flowers. And this is also a petal one. This is basket nozzle and many more. This is a small star nozzle. way of using nozzles to decorate our cake. That is, firstly we have to use the piping bag. You can use any plastic bag that can be of this shape, or that you can easily, and take the piping bag, take the nozzle whichever you want to use, place it here and cut it from this side, fill the icing in it and close it and press it. The desired design will come out. Now if I am using icing of one color only and I have to create different designs, so again putting different nozzles and then putting icing in it, icing cream in it, it would be very difficult. So sometimes these couplers are used. These couplers, according to this coupler, we can put it here, then we add the nozzle here and we adjust it according to this. So if we want to change any design, we just remove this nozzle and put another design and close it. So this is a use of coupler. In this, there is no need to change nozzle, icing bag again and again. For this was, and the last and but not the least, the palette knife. The palette knife is used to balance the icing on the cakes. Suppose we have to place the icing on a cake and we have to level it, then we use this palette knife. If this is bended one, this is straight one. Mostly this one is used and it is useful for if we are creating big cakes. But if you don't have these of both, you can use these scale also. It will help you to create the effect. But the effect is very finished or not, I can't say that. But try it and let me know. Thank you. If you like my video, please comment and give your valuable suggestions. Thank you.